Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on Tecno Pova Neo 2. Firstly, hold the first app that you would like to have in your folder, so just hold it. Then drag it onto the other app that would also have included in your folder. So let's drag it onto a calendar, let's say. It cannot run away like that. Oh, it has to expand like this. It has to create like a small background, then release the finger. As you can see, the folder has been created. You can also name it somehow. And now, if you would like to delete the folder, just simply drag all of the apps outside the folder, and it's going to automatically delete. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.